Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use filters in VN. So here I've already added a video in my VN apps, and then if you want to add some filter, I'm going to show you how to use that. So the filter feature is shown in here at the bottom toolbar in your VN page, and then if you want to use that, you can just click on the filter option, and then here you'll see a bunch of filters that you can use in your video. There are so many category. There are aesthetic, vivid, create, essence, fog, loon, mood, and also polaroid and season, foam, food, life, and etc. So there are so many options that you can choose. For example, I want to choose aesthetic, and here each of the category will have so many filters that you can use. So for example, I want to use the aesthetic A3, so you can also adjust the intensity of the filter. You can just swipe this button right here, and if you think that the filter is quite good, you can just click on the check icon at the bottom, and your filter has been applied into the video. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can use filters in VN. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye bye.